Let's see the next topic, work. Suppose you wish to move a wall by pushing it. You apply a lot of force on it, but even after many hours, it does not move even a bit from its place. You feel tired and think you have done a lot of work on the wall, but in terms of science, you have not done any work. In science, work is said to be done only if force applied on a body moves it in the direction of the force. Some examples of work are moving a cart, kicking a football, picking up a book from the table and keeping it on the shelf, hitting a ball with a bat, etc. Work haibasi karino yengsi according to science aikoina chamchamba meaning da work haidi thabak tauba haibani adubu in terms of science da work haisiga meaning khajiktan khenai madu karino yengsi nakoina karigumba phaklang si lengnaba yam kanna ille na khalasi pung ani ahum illagasu phaklang si karimata machi lengde adubu nakoidi warangani nakoina khallibasi warabanina nakoi si thabak tawre haina khalambe yai adubu science ki matung inadi nakoi si thabak amta tawde work amata tawde aduna science ki matung ina work ama laire or work ama tawre haige haragadi nakoi na piriba force to gi direction da body adu object adu lengagadi nakoi na thabak tawre na lawgani karigumba lengba ngamdraba adu itaragadi work tawde thabak tawde aina science ki matung ina haige example oina hairabada card ama ikoin inba matamda card si lengagadi nakoi thabak tawre haina lawrani kicking a ball football kauba ball si lenge work tawre picking up a book from the table matak tagi nakoi na larik lawkhatpa matamda larik si lenge adu itardi work tawre keeping it on the shelf larik thamba matamda larik si lenge adu itardi work tawre hitting a ball with a bat amana ball si yaiba matamda ball si lenge work tawre asigumba example kya marum lai. Next, let's see energy. To do work, energy is needed. That is why your mother tells you to eat proper food so that it gives you enough energy to work. Energy is defined as the ability of a body to do work. There are different forms of energy. Let's discuss some of them. Energy haibasi karino yengsi. Aikoina work ama taunaba honaba matamda energy asi darkar lay aduna nakoigi imana ipana aduga atopa brother sister sing nakoida tatana haiba thengnarangani nakoi proper food chang naina chaw proper food chasalu haina nakoi da toina hairangani madu karigi damakta no nakoina sariba food adudagi energy fangduna energy dana thabak tawba ngamdori aduna energy si ikuna define tawge haragadi it is the ability of a body to do work body amana karigumba thabak ama tawba ngamnabagi damakta adugumba ability ama khaklai maduni energy na hairibasi energy si form kyamarum laikhre makoi singasi yengsi. Let's see the first form of energy, mechanical energy. It is the energy possessed by a body due to its position or motion. It is of two types, potential energy and kinetic energy. The energy possessed by a body due to its position is called potential energy. For example, a stone kept on top of a building and a stretched string possesses potential energy. The energy possessed by a body due to its motion is known as kinetic energy. For example, a moving ball, flowing water, etc. have kinetic energy. Mechanical energy haibasi karino yengsi. Mechanical energy haibasi body amana, object amana, possess tawba maonda yawba energy amani karamba matangda body dugi position natragana motion gi matung inna body duda possess tawba energy amani Mechanical energy si makal ani thokto'i, potential energy haiba ma, kinetic energy haiba ma. Potential energy hairagadi body dugi position gi matung inna body duda process tawba energy aduni. Example oina hairabada stone ama building in mathakta thammena lawarasi maduda stone aduda energy khara yaure madugi energy aduni potential energy hairibasi. Aduga atopa example amada string ama aikoina chinge stretch tawre. Stretch string chida energy khara process tawre madugi energy duni potential energy hairibasi. Masi gisida nakoina hen understand tawnaba example ama yengsi. Water storage tank ama first floor gi building chida building ama gi first floor sida thammasi madudagi tap water taraga ground floor da yabada maduda fangiba force to ikoi consider tausi aduga chap manaba ising yaubagi chang aduga chap manaba water storage tank adu second floor da amuk thamaba matungda madudagi tarakpa ising duna tap water tarakpa ising duna ground floor da amuk yengsi force asi yengnabada kanana kangani second floor da thamba water storage tank dudagi tarakpa ising duna hena kangani. Likewise water storage tank asi third floor da amu thammagadi amu hena kanbe hengani asumna wangi goi potential energy si hengalai masini building amagi mathakta laiba stone amada energy khara yawi ene ikoin hairibasi aduna first floor dagi tarakpa nungduga second floor dagi tarakpa nungduga yengna matamda second floor dagi tarakpa nungduda yauba energy duna hengani adumna string asi su aikoina stretch tawa matamda khajiktang chingthoaga aikoida thaba matamda khitang nani aduga khara kanna chingagadi akoida hena naba hengani maduna stretch string da energy yawi haibisi utliban. Body amana lengi ngai gi matamda body duda yauriba energy adu kinetic energy kawi. Example oina hairabada lengaga laiba ball achenba ising asina chingba example sing asida kinetic energy process tawi. Next form of energy is heat energy. It is a form of energy which is responsible for the sensation of hotness or coldness. We get heat energy from the sun and also by burning various fuels like wood and coal. This energy is useful in cooking, running steam engine and generating electricity. Heat energy haibasi aikoida sense fawu matamda kayam yamna sai natragana kayam yamna ingi haiba masigi sensation asi buthoan ba energy aduguni aikoina heat energy asi numittagi aduga atopa fuels mayama ma aikoina mai thaba matamdagi aikoina phangba ngami. Heat energy asina aikoigi food cook tawbada steam engine run tawbada aduga electricity generate tawbada kanaba pi. Next let's see light energy. Like heat, light is also a form of energy. It makes things visible to us. The sun is the main source of light for us. We also get light from stars, bulbs, torches, etc. Light energy asisu energy makhalamani. Light energy asigi matengna aikoina pochai sing asi uba phangibani. Aikoigi main source of light hairagadi aikoigi numit asini. Stars, bulbs, torches asina chingba objects sing dagisu aikoina light asi phangba ngami. Next, let's see magnetic energy. As discussed earlier, magnets exert force on other magnets and iron objects. This force is due to the energy of the magnet known as the magnetic energy. This form of energy is used for various purposes like lifting heavy iron objects using a strong magnet, separation of iron objects from other metallic objects, etc. Aikoina mamangda nainagibaduni magnet na atopa magnet natragana yo nasaba object singda force ama piba ngami magnet ki energy na maram moiraga force ama piriba masigi energy asi wo ikoina magnetic energy ko. Magnetic energy asi tongan ba makal gi thabak singda ikoina sisinai. Example oina hairabada yamna lumba yot na saba object asi yamna kanba magnet amana thangat pangami aduna adugumba yot na saba arumba pochai sing asi thangdok thangjin tawbada yamna kanba magnet asina sijine. Metallic objects mayamgi marakta mixture amada iron objects sing asi khandokpa matamda magnetic energy sinaduna magnet ki mating lauraga aikoina iron objects sing adu khandokpa ngam. Masigi figure sida yengsi masigi angangba machu asi magnet ni magnet ki ends ani sida macha na piba mayam si iron nails ngatani yot na saba yopi ngatani asumna iron objects sing asi magnet na separate tawbada irai line ngami. Next, let's see sound energy. Sound is a form of energy which produces the sensation of hearing in our ears. Sound energy is produced by radios, music players, musical instruments like sitar, guitar, etc. Sound energy haibasi aikoigi nakongda tabagi sensation ama puthokpa adugumba makalgi energy amani. Sound energy puthokpa ngamba object khara hairagadi radios, music players, musical instruments, example oina hairabada sitar, guitar asina chingba singasin. Next, let's see solar energy. The vast amount of energy obtained from the sun is called solar energy. It is utilized by plants while preparing food. Numitagi fangba yamna yamkraba energy adubu aikoina solar energy haina khangnai. Solar energy asi plants na sijinai aduga makoigi machinjak puthokpada mating pang. Next, let's see wind energy. Like the sun, even wind is a natural source of energy. By setting up windmills, the energy of winds can be utilized to generate electricity. Numit kumna nungsit asisyu natural source ki energy makalamani mahusana laijaramaba energy source amani. Windmill semgatlaga nungsittagi aikoina energy asi lauduna electricity sungbangam. Let's see the next energy, electrical energy. It is another form of energy which we use to run electrical appliances like washing machine, television, computer, vacuum cleaner, air conditioners, tube lights, fans, etc. We get it from electricity. Electrical appliances sing run taunaba thagat naba honaba matamda sijinaba energy adubu electrical energy kawi. Electrical energy sijinaraga run tauba electrical appliances ki example khara hairagadi washing machine, television, computer, vacuum cleaner, air conditioner, tube lights, fans asina chingba kaya marum ama laikre. Electrical energy asi electricity dagi fangbangam. Let's see Bingo's knowledge bank. The various forms of energy are interconvertible, which means that one form of energy can change into another form. Aikoina hojikta nainakiba tongan ba energy sing asi interconvertible oi haibani haibadi form of energy amadagi atopa energy amada atopa form amada ontok onchin tawba ngami haibani. Nakoina hen understand tawnaba example ama lauraga yengsi se fan nama aikoina consider tawarsi electric fan. Electric fan asi run tawnaba honaba matamda electrical energy aikoina thajali. Electrical energy si fan sina lausalaba matungda mechanical energy ontoe. Mechanical energy ontokpadagi amuk magi pangkha sina ungaba matungda wind energy da amuk ontorai asumna energy asi amadagi amada matang sum ontoi haibani. Let's see Bingo's knowledge bank, law of conservation of energy. The law of conservation of energy states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It only changes its form from one to another. Law of conservation of energy na hairibasi energy haibasi semba ngamde aduga thugaibasu ngamde haibani. Energy haibasi form amadagi form amada onba khak ngami haibani. Hawjikta aikoina discuss tawkibaduni fan gi matangda electrical energy dagi mechanical energy onto a mechanical energy dagi wind energy onto a asumna amadagi amada convert tawbani. Let's see, recall with bingo. The state of motion of a body is determined by the fact that it is moving or not. A body is said to be in motion if it is moving and at rest if it is not moving. Body amagi state of motion asi body si lengi natraga lengdi haibaduna tai. Body amasi motion da lay hairagadi body asi lengani aduga rest lay haigi hairagana body asi lengon. Force is defined as a push or pull which changes or tries to change the state of motion of a body when acting on it. Force haibasi either push or pull ni haibadi inba oibi natragana chingba oibi. Force asina maram oiraga body amagi state of motion asi hongnaba honaba natragana honghanba ngami. Force can also change the speed and direction of motion of a moving body or the shape and size of a body. Force na maram oiraga moving body amagi speed natraga direction asi honganba ngami aduga body amagi shape natraga size asi su honganba ngami. There are different types of forces in nature. They are muscular force, frictional force, mechanical force, elastic force, magnetic force, and gravitational force. Nature sida tongan ba makalgi forces kya marum laikre. Example in hairabada muscular force, frictional force, mechanical force, elastic force, magnetic force, gravitational force, asina chingba singasin. Work is said to be done only if force applied on a body moves it in the direction of the force. Work ama aikoina taure haigi hairagadi aikoina piriba force aduna body adu piriba force adugi direction sida lengba ngamagadi aikoina work asi taure haina laugani natragadi aikoina work tawde haina laugani. Energy is defined as the ability of a body to do work. Thabak tawba ngamnabagidamakta body amada chenba body amagi ability adubu energy haina khangnai. There are different forms of energy like mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, magnetic energy, sound energy, solar energy, wind energy, and electrical energy. Tongan ba energy gi form kya marum laikre. Example oina hairabada mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, magnetic energy, sound energy, solar energy, wind energy, electrical energy. Asina chingba singasin. Here it comes the end of the chapter, chapter number 9, force, work, and energy. Thank you all.